All right, so I am now 12 weeks postpartum, and y'all, looking back at this footage is so trippy because when I was going through it, I didn't realize just how much I was changing from week to week. I mean, obviously I knew my belly was getting bigger because the babies were growing, but even just to see the changes in my face, the compilation of how my face just started expanding is really like mind-blowing to me. And this twin pregnancy was unlike either of my two previous pregnancies. It was so different. And the postpartum period is so different as well. So it's definitely been an adjustment, but it has overall been a really wonderful experience, a really wonderful journey. So I am happy, but I just wanted to come and tell you guys how things are going now, what is going on as far as my weight and my fitness and getting back in shape and everything like that. So this pregnancy, I gained 75 pounds, you guys. I gained 75 pounds. So I started off at 130 pounds and I got up to 205 pounds at the end. And that's another thing that I'm just like, oh my goodness, I've never been anywhere close to 200 pounds in my life. And I got over 200 pounds. So that's kind of funny to me. That was definitely a different experience carrying that weight. And then the weight loss. So within 2 weeks of me delivering the babies, I lost 50 pounds like that. I told you guys in a previous video, like that first 50 pounds flew off. It just went away. And I was like, oh my goodness, I'm going to get back to my pre-pregnancy size super fast. Well, no. After that initial 2 weeks, my weight loss just came to an abrupt halt, like skirt. The weight would not budge, like the pounds would not come off. And obviously you have to wait until you get like that 6-week clearance before you can do any real exercise. So I was like, okay, I'll just see how it goes until my 6-week checkup and go from there. And by the way, my first two pregnancies, the weight just fell off. And so that's what I was kind of expecting with this one, but it's a twin pregnancy. It did a heck of a number on my body. It did a heck of a number on my health. As you guys that saw my birth video, y'all know the things I went through with that. I actually was on blood pressure medication for about a month after I delivered to regulate my blood pressure and make sure it wasn't getting too high. So I had that going for me. And then I just had this weight that didn't seem to want to come off. And I wasn't used to that because my other two pregnancies, I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to do much. I actually didn't even have to exercise my first two pregnancies. It just went away. This one, totally different story. Aside from that initial period where the 50 pounds came off. So I was holding on to 25 extra pounds. When I went to my 6-week checkup, my doctor said everything was good. I was okay to start easing into, you know, working out, exercising, not like jumping into exercises and doing anything super strenuous, but just easing into it. I was okay to do that. So I started exercising around 6 weeks postpartum. I was just walking, but that wasn't doing much. Like that did nothing for me in terms of shedding the weight. So then I started incorporating some different exercises, and now finally at 12 weeks I'm starting to see the weight slowly but surely come down. So I'm happy about that. I've also made some tweaks to my diet and what I'm eating. Also the timing of my meals, things like that I have adjusted so that I can get back down to my pre-pregnancy weight and shed that extra 25 pounds that didn't seem to want to come off of me. But yeah, I'm not rushing anything. I'm really not working out strenuously, but I have made some adjustments to the type of exercise that I'm doing, and I'm starting to see some results. What I'm doing is very simple, doesn't take a lot of time. If you guys want me to do a video on my workout exercise routine postpartum, my journey to get back to my pre-pregnancy look, let me know, and if I get enough interest, I will make a detailed video on that. But yeah guys, aside from that, I feel really good. I feel really good physically. I feel really good mentally. The twins are just the most precious, the most perfect, the most wonderful babies ever. This newborn period, I am soaking it up. I'm soaking it up. I'm loving it so much. A lot of people, I've been like, I don't know what it is about my Instagram feed, but whenever I go on Instagram, I see baby stuff or parenting things. I guess that's what my algorithm is right now. And A lot of people, I see them comment that they really don't enjoy the newborn stage, and they say like, I like this stage better in parenthood and stuff like that. I am so enjoying the newborn stage. Obviously, it does come with its challenges. It can be a little tiring sometimes, but I really enjoy the stage, especially since I know how quick it goes. My two older kids, I have a 19-year-old and I have a 5-year-old. It just seems like I looked up one day and they were just as big as me. So to be able to experience this phase again is so fulfilling. It's just been a really good time. So yeah, that is the update. That is what has been happening with me. Feeling good, feeling great, starting to get some movement on the scale in the right direction, and then health-wise, everything is 100%. I no longer have to take blood pressure medication. I don't have any restrictions, no lingering complications. So that is a plus, because you guys know I did have to get a C-section. This is my first time ever getting a C-section. It was a whirlwind of events. But here, 12 weeks out, things are good. And I'm still so in shock. And I'm still so in awe of the fact that I carried 2 babies at one time, and I have 2 newborn babies, and it's just like, is this a dream? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know. We have settled in, we have gotten our routine down. I am going to be doing a video on like my must-haves, my baby must-haves, especially for this time period, you know, when you're first starting out, products and things that have really helped us. But if you guys have any other questions, any other things that you want me to touch on, tips, advice, anything like that, leave them below and I will try to incorporate that in a future video. But yeah guys, that is that. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.